Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the software. So I'm pretty sure that most of you know how to use it, but in case you don't know, this is the video for you. So first of all, you have to go to the Aula Virtual, and in the workshop tab, you will find this link, Software ING9004. So in this folder, you will find the file. So you have to download it. And once you download it, you will find something like this. B1 Preintermedio Inglés 4. You have to open it and you have to click here where it says Auto Start. So here you will find all the units, right? We will work from Unit 1 to Unit 7. And here you have a lot of exercises. Also, you can find grammar reference, a word list, your progress, a quick check when you where you can create some tests for you. You can choose a number of questions, you can use the units, and you can choose what you want to practice. For instance, grammar, vocabulary, and all that. Also, you have the dictionary here and the sounds in case you want to practice a little bit the pronunciation. So in case you have some doubts, you can send me an email and that will be it. So bye guys, take care and see you soon.